Hi everyone, good afternoon. It's Gernhardt, General Manager and owner of DeFOUW Chevrolet, BMW Lafayette and DeFOUW Collision Center. Just want to provide you a quick update of everything we're doing here at DeFOUW to not only comply with the CDC guidelines, but Governor Holcomb's guidelines, especially the updates he did earlier this week with essential businesses. We want our customers to know, especially on the sales side, specifically the sales side, we are starting all transactions and trying to do as much of the transaction online, and we have that capability. You can start shopping online, we can send you virtual test drives, we can go through a lot of that experience where you don't even have to come into the store. If you do come into the store, you have to have an appointment. We're limiting the amount of customers we have in the showroom or within areas of the building. It's something that is for your safety and our employees' safety, but we do want you to know we're going to do everything we can remotely, and that is for your safety, our safety, and ultimately for everyone's safety in our community. On the service side, we do not have our waiting rooms open. That's both service and collision. Once again, for our safety and your safety. You're able to drop off your car, we'll fix it, you have someone pick you up, and we'll have the keys, we'll have it all wiped down, so when you come back to the dealership, it's ready to roll. We're focusing on essential workers, anyone that is essential, to make sure their cars are up and rolling. But call in 765-449-2800 or text 765-449-2800. We'll set you up with a service appointment, collision center appointment, or we'll start the sales process online. We're trying to be here for the greater Lafayette community and do our part at the same time maintaining a safe working environment and adhering to the governor's wishes and laws. So thanks so much, and we'll give you updates as time goes on. Stay safe.